A manhunt is underway in the French city of Strasbourg after a gunman opened fire near a popular Christmas market, killing at least 2 people and wounding 11 others. Authorities said the attack began at about 8 p.m. local time near Place Kléber, the historic city's central square, unleashing panic as gunshots rang out through the busy holiday market. People were told to stay where they were as responding officers hunted down the shooter, at one point cornering the gunman with shots fired, but authorities later said the shooter is still on the run. France remains on high alert since 2015 amid a wave of attacks commissioned or inspired by Islamic State militants, including a mass shooting at the Bataclan concert hall in Paris. 2 years ago, a Tunisian Islamist rammed a hijacked truck into a Christmas market in central Berlin, killing 11. No one had immediately claimed responsibility in Tuesday's attack. Officials said President Emmanuel Macron was being updated on developments.